Hello beautiful people, and welcome to CE-5 Academy. My name is Ashley. A great pleasure to have you on this channel as always. I just want to thank all of our recent subscribers for joining us, and thanks to everybody who is part of this movement. We are growing stronger day by day, and the recent release of Dr. Greer's CE-5 movie I'm sure is contributing to that greatly. Thank you to all involved in making this documentary available. And if you have not seen it yet, feel free to go watch it. It's available on iTunes, and you can go to www.ce5film.com. Today I just really want to briefly speak about the idea of lightening up on ourselves. You know, they say that the path to enlightenment is to simply lighten up on ourselves. And I believe that enlightenment in that context is incredibly key for us making peaceful ET contact in the future. You see, we are beings of vibration and density, and we live in this physical reality that is sometimes quite dense compared to potentially the realities that our ET friends currently inhabit, which is a bit lighter and a bit higher in frequency. And so I think that the key to really enhancing our contact experiences is to really lighten up on ourselves and to increase our vibration. And 5 key techniques that was recently shared through a live transmission from Bashar. You can go to bashar.org to find it. It was called the Eye of the Needle, and 5 really amazing tools that Bashar shared with us that will help us make it on the other side, so to speak, where ET contact and the world where ET contact is available is the following. So number 1 is to forgive others. Literally, think of everybody you've ever had a grudge against, or someone that's done something to you, or something like that. I know that it's quite a tough one, but it's a big one. And if you can really learn to forgive others, you will feel the weight off of your shoulders, and you will feel much lighter, and that will contribute to your expansion towards ET contact. So number 1 is forgive others. Number 2 is forgive yourself. Forgive yourself for all the guilt that you may feel, for all of the things you wish you hadn't done. Just forgive yourself and appreciate who you are as a unique being here and now. I mean, everything you've ever experienced has driven you to exactly where you stand today. And I'm pretty sure that where you stand today is amazing. And because you're awesome. Whoever you are watching this, you're amazing. Thank you so much for being here. So number 2 is forgive yourself. Number 3 is inform yourself not from your past, but from your future. This is actually number 3 and 4 together. You see, a lot of us tend to think that who we are now is a result of who we were back then. And that, in a way, is true in this physical reality. But the key and the technique here is to really choose who you are now based on who you want to be in the future. So inform yourself in the present, not from your past, but from the future. And number 5 is be present. Be present here and now. Appreciate what's around you as much as you can, and learn to cultivate the mind that is present and still. And by taking on all of these 5 qualities, you will really lighten up your vibration, you will raise your frequency, and that will naturally drive you to a world where open ET contact is not only probable, but very much a reality. This will obviously also help you in your day-to-day lives, in your emotional state, in your spiritual state, and will 100% assist you in your solo CE-5s. Bashar also shared, just out of curiosity, Bashar also shared a bit more about the coronavirus and what we're currently experiencing. And he explained that this was actually a totally natural result of us destroying our own ecosystems on this planet. You see, viruses live in animals, and they live in ecosystems where they are contained within the animals. We have destroyed too much of those ecosystems, and there is no longer any space for those viruses to thrive. So they are looking to new hosts. Guess who those hosts are? So one key technique that he shared to be able to reverse that is to simply nurture and reforest our ecosystems. Really pay attention to those, and just to reverse the process by stopping the destruction and continuing the reforestation, if we can say it that way. He also said that the current period we're in, where half of the world is in quarantine, is there so that we can be cocooned, we can go within, we can let go, and we can really free ourselves. And the main thing that he wishes us to free ourselves from is our fear-based belief systems. You see, I'm sure that if you've seen certain videos of vibrations or frequency, you'll see that love has a very a very fast-paced vibration and rhythm to it, whereas hate and fear has a very long and slow wave. And so we really want to understand the impact that those emotions have, not only on our physical body, but on our spiritual and emotional being, and how that contributes to our collective. So one key thing that he shared is to really take this time to let go, go within, and let go of those fear-based belief systems that you may still be holding on and you may not be aware that you are, and that's okay. Just do some inquiry, let go, be free, and feel good, because this is what it's about, is to feel good. One of the key quotes that he ended the talk with was, forgive and let go, forgive and be free. And really the importance of forgiveness. You see, when you forgive, you're obviously not only forgiving for others, but you're forgiving for yourself, and that 100% lightens up your vibration. So my friends, this was my few little tips for today. I am going to be making way more videos in the future. I just had a beautiful son that was born. He's 1 month old tomorrow morning. He is so beautiful. I'm so happy to have him with me, and definitely a future C5er for sure. I want to inform you guys that in the future I'll be doing some very exciting videos, so thank you so much for hanging around. Thank you for sharing this channel with your friends and family. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being awesome, and I wish you guys the most amazing day, week, weekend, month, and year ahead. I very much look forward to interacting with you guys again very soon. Sending you all much love. Thank you for being here.